Machine learning, the driving force behind AI, is a fascinating field that has revolutionized the way computers learn and make decisions. It serves as the backbone of AI, enabling machines to extract meaningful insights from data and continuously improve their performance without explicit programming. Supervised learning is a powerful approach in machine learning where algorithms are trained using labeled data. By learning from this labeled data, machines can make predictions and classify new, unseen data with remarkable accuracy. This technique has found applications in various domains, including speech recognition, spam detection, and medical diagnosis. With supervised learning, machines become adept at recognizing patterns and making informed decisions based on the given data. Unsupervised learning takes a different approach, exploring unlabeled data to discover underlying patterns and structures. This technique allows machines to identify hidden relationships and similarities within the data without any prior knowledge or guidance. Unsupervised learning algorithms have proven valuable in tasks such as clustering, anomaly detection, and market segmentation. By uncovering these patterns, machines gain a deeper understanding of the data and can extract valuable insights. Reinforcement learning takes inspiration from how humans and animals learn through trial and error. In this approach, an agent interacts with an environment and learns to make decisions that maximize a specific reward. Through continuous exploration and feedback, machines improve their decision-making abilities and optimize their actions to achieve desired outcomes. Reinforcement learning has been instrumental in autonomous driving, game playing, and robotics, enabling machines to adapt and excel in dynamic environments. Machine learning finds applications in a wide range of domains, including recommendation systems that personalize user experiences, image recognition technologies that analyze and interpret visual data, natural language processing systems that understand and generate human language, and much more. Its versatility and power have transformed industries and enriched our lives in numerous ways. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we will delve into specific machine learning algorithms and techniques, providing you with in-depth insights and practical knowledge. We will explore topics such as deep learning, support vector machines, and decision trees, equipping you with the tools to apply machine learning in your own projects and endeavors. Don't miss out on these valuable AI insights. Thank you for watching.